How cool is that?
That is cool.
It's a little untraditional, but again, because this house doesn't have to follow strict historic guidelines because of where it sits, we can be more flexible with style choices like this.
How does it attach? Is it got?
I bet there's instructions, but I'm not reading them.
Me neither.
We're gonna do this.
Oh, look at here. Here we go. This releases.
Yeah. The brass and the white together just feel a little bit modern.
Does that look good?
Yeah, I love that.
Hey, how'd it go, baby girl?
Got those mean old shots.
Those mean old shots.
But she did really good.
Did she?
Yeah.
So there's a lot going on over here at the Rowells. I just need you to come and look at it.
All right, say bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye, Helen.
Whoa.
Hey, what do you think?
That looks a little bit different than it looked in the picture that I ordered.
The tub that you ordered, back ordered. So I went
Yeah.
ahead and got this one.
This is
and
beautiful.
It has to have a floor mount faucet. You good with that?
Good with it. The sconces are not exactly right.
Oh, those are really high.
It's not like we can move them now because it's wallpaper and the hole has been punched. So we have to turn them over. We can't
don't
leave
think
them
they
this
will.
way. I think it'll be a matter of just taking these little covers off. I think it's gonna work.
Do you want me to flip this one now?
Yeah, this is good.
Everything coming in this house has been tight.
Awesome. I love that, y'all.
Got these right here. They go like that.
Oh, cool.
The cable's gonna run all the way through it. So as it swings, these will move.
I love that. I mean, it's just like a swing until you add the turnings. The turnings,
They really make it. Now it's
they
a
make
David.
it. Yeah. So let's hang it. Let's, as if I'm going to hang it.
Sure.
Let's
gonna help,
see
right?
you hang it. This house, you can stick a fork in it because it's pretty much done. We got all the colors, all the textures, all the metal finishes. It's a really cool house. Did you see the sink the boys got? Yes, and the guy had a ton of them. Well, it's big enough for these big ones. Whoa. I love these. That'll look great for the cozy book nook. Look at this, just like a glove. It just feels like I was 23 like 2 seconds ago. I'm 33 now. It's not that old. I'm not like that far beyond my 20s, but it's just a different kind of style and a different kind of mindset where like the world is your oyster and who knows what you're gonna become, and I wanted a house that feels like that.
Hey, girl.
Tomorrow, they're gonna get to see the house. And I hope it's so much better than whatever they've been imagining. Oh, I've got butterflies about it.
So y'all's house was pretty nasty on the outside, but this is the Rowell house.
Oh my gosh.
So good.
The color looks amazing.
Good. I like the little bit of green.
Yeah, the green is very cool.
It is a 3-color palette, which is typical of a Craftsman home, but it's more fun, vibrant colors like y'all.
It looks awesome.
So much changed outside.
Yeah.
All new paint everywhere, new screened-in porch, beautiful custom railing.
It looks so good. It really does.
Yeah, I think it fits our personality. I liked it.
I can't wait to see the porch.
Yeah, come see.
Come on in.
Oh my gosh. Look at this.
Oh my God.
Do you love it?
Yes. I can't believe it. Like, the floor is green. I'm so excited about that.
Can I just like
Sit in it. Yes,
Yeah,
it's yours.
please, it's
We
yours.
can sit in it.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, I'm gonna take a nap out here.
I've never built a swing like this. We turn these spindles that are not attached so that it can swing without actually breaking them. This is a real legit twin bed mattress.
If it was a good 60 degrees at night,
You could sleep out here. No
Perfect.
bugs, screened in porch.
Exactly.
Nice weather.
Thanks for all you've done. I'm good now.
Yeah.
You don't want to see anything else? Honestly, this is nothing compared to the inside.
it's really not. Let's do it.
Let's go.
Come on. Oh my
Gosh. You guys.
How? The floors look so much better.
Beautiful and clean. Look at these. Isn't that awesome?
Yes.
They are so much better than the little tiny outdoor ones.
Not a ton had to be changed in here.
In the living room and dining room, it was mostly just paint and refinishing the floor.
So cool. I love the colors in here.
I want to have fun in here. We have texture, velvet, deep emerald greens, and rich jewel tones everywhere.
It looks so good.
Want to carry on?
Yes.
Okay, let's go through dining room to the kitchen.
Yes.
Oh
my gosh.
Y'all. OMG.
Is it lit?
It's lit.
How about that light fixture? I just had fun with
Oh my
lighting here.
gosh.
It's a very subtle little detail, but it's just a silvery blue color on all the ceilings.
That's so cool.
Yeah, and we took down that wall between the dining room and the kitchen so that would give you more room in your kitchen.
Speaking of the kitchen.
Yeah. Let's
You
go.
want to go see that?
Yes.
You believe it?
No. What
Look
the
at the
heck?
I love the open shelving right there. And the
I
beadboard
like
looks
it.
really good.
And you guys gave me my little like bar overhead with my bar stools.
Yeah.
And the floors in here are the same.
Yeah.
This was underneath.
It doesn't seem like it's the same kitchen at all.
It's not.
Totally
It's like
different.
completely different.
And we've got a huge sink.
You have an antique sink with drain board, which is the coolest thing
That
ever.
is so cool.
Yeah.
Is that my dad's?
Yeah, that's your dad's little handprint he
That's
made,
so
I guess when he was
cute.
5 years old, he said.
And he wanted it to be in y'all's house.
Oh, that's so sweet.
I thought it was.
The brick looks so good.
Yeah, so this was actually wrapped in beadboard, and I mean, you see how it looked. It's beautiful.
It looks
really
great.
cool.
And I had fun with the cabinet color going this
love it.
silvery light blue.
It looks so good. And I
It's
love
subtle,
the
but I like
countertops.
But look at your book nook. Did you see?
What?
Oh my gosh.
Y'all.
This is even better than I could have ever expected.
It's so nice. I love it.
Those are custom cushions that we had made just for your book nook.
Yeah.
That Ben built.
We'll use this so much more than
Yeah,
we
we
would
will.
use a breakfast nook. It's very cozy.
This is more our speed.
Yes.
There's Marcy.
What? My gosh. It
Yeah.
looks so good.
Yeah, it does. And y'all got rid of the window unit.
No more window unit. You have central heat and air.
That's key, yeah.
You can't see it, but you can feel it.
Yes. And we have doors now
Yeah.
in our closet.
The bedroom's great, but now it's time to show you the bathroom. It's a really cool bathroom.
I can't wait.
Go ahead.
Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to say. Wow. Look at the shower.
That's a shower head.
What? Isn't that cool? No.
It's just like standing in a storm.
Oh my
Oh my
gosh.
god.
Look at the tub.
That is huge.
It's so big.
Such a cool bathroom.
It really,
Yeah, this
really
is.
is.
And over here, I wanted to have a little fun with color and pattern. It would have been too much to go all the way.
This looks great.
It looks amazing.